One of the worst parts of building a PC is the cable management. But there is one big way to make this way easier, and that is using wireless fans. These are the Corsair IQ RX 120 RGB fans, and thank you so much to Corsair for sending this entire stack of them over. I've actually used these fans in a few previous builds before Corsair ever sent these over because they are really that good. Specifically because of the way you can daisy chain these together. Usually you'd have a cable for each fan that connects each fan to another fan, and then if you're using RGB, that's another cable usually that you have to connect to the next fan. And you really should only connect about 3 fans together via a daisy chain. So if you're trying to max out the number of fans in your PC case, that's easily 2 to 3 sets of daisy chain together fans. So that is easily 10 plus cables, which is just entirely too many. These Corsair fans fix that entire problem by using these 2 tiny connectors. So the top and bottom of each Corsair fan has these 2 slots. One of them has like a yellow tab in it, that is the powered slot, and the other one is empty. One of these connectors has a tiny slit into it, and that is the one that goes into the one with the yellow tab. You just push it in there. And then the other small connector you put into the other non-powered one. And then all you have to do to connect these is you just line up the powered and non-powered slots, and then they just snap together like that. Wow. These are also held together by magnets, so they do not come apart easily at all. After you've put your 3 fans together, then you just have this one cable that goes either on the top or the bottom in that powered slot. And this cable is the one that connects to the IQ hub. The IQ hub allows you to control your fan speeds and the RGB with it. And that's it. That's all the cables that you have to worry about for fans. Make sure you follow for more PC building tips, and let me know what other questions you have about fans in the comments.